Hi everyone, I hope you've all had a wonderful week. We're back again with another episode of Sweet Talk with Swpea. Today Allison's going to be joining me and we're going to be showing you the brand new design for this week and a couple of sneak peeks maybe. And James will be back later with some competition details.
Hey folks, James here again. It's awesome to be back on another episode of Sweet Talk with Swpea, and thank you so much for tuning in. Quickly, I just want to say thank you all for all your video engagement in the last couple of episodes. It's super cool to see your names and you guys interacting with Sweet Talk with Swpea. Also, make sure you leave us your feedback because we really want to know what you like about it and what we could work on for future episodes to make it more enjoyable for you, our customers. But first, I'm going to get straight into it. I'm going to announce last week's comment competition winner. Last week I told you to comment below the video your favourite Swpea design that we used a zip on, and we got heaps of comments, which is really cool to see. The prize was 2 3-packs of zippers of your choice. So that's 2 of the big 3-packs of the zippers, and you can choose whatever colour combination you would like. So when I call your name out, if you're the winner, you're just going to email swepeacompetitions@gmail.com and then we'll organise how we'll get that sent out to you. Without further ado, the winner of the comment section competition is Tammy Spracklin. So that's Tammy Spracklin, you're the winner of the 2 zips. Thank you so much for your comment and watching last week's episode of Sweet Talk with Swpea. So this episode, we're running a comment competition again. What you have to do is comment in the comment section below this video your favorite item from the Swpea Essentials range and why. And we'll be looking through that and we're picking our favorite comment to win 2 of our Swpea Essentials cork. So that's two rolls of cork from our Swpea Essentials range of any color that you choose. So that's comment in the comment section below your favorite item on our Swpea Essentials range and a couple words of why it's your favorite. So another competition where it costs you no money and you can walk away with some really cool prizes from Swpea. All you have to do is comment below. So on every episode of Sweet Talk, I love running a viewer competition to give you guys a chance to win a $20 gift voucher to use on our online store. And we've been having really good feedback from it, so we're continuing that competition. This week, there's going to be 3 mystery items of the Swpea Essentials range hidden throughout the video where you have to find one, so you have to watch the whole video till the end. Once you find all 3 of the mystery items, send an email to swepeacompetitions@gmail.com. That is swepeacompetitions@gmail.com. The 3 mystery items and your name to be entered into the raffle, which will be drawn out on the next episode of Sweet Talk with Swpea. That's all the housekeeping done. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of the episode of Sweet Talk with Swpea, where I announced last week's competition winners on the Wheel of Names.
So Allison, are you going out for lunch today?
Why?
You're all dressed up. That's lovely.
Is this my gorgeous bag?
Allison's been busy this week, everyone. She's just made this beautiful butterfly chiffon.
I made it for myself
yes.
because one of our gorgeous customers made one and posted it in the Facebook group in our rose gold PU, and I just fell in love with it.
Absolutely beautiful.
That's made in the 8x12 hoop. So.
And Allison, I haven't made one yet because I haven't had a chance, but this is one hooping, isn't it?
Yeah.
Can you get that all
It is
James?
such a good bag to make. It takes a while to do the embroidery, but of course you don't have to sit there and watch it or anything. So
I usually use that time to cut my next pieces
I do
or
actually
something like that.
tidy up all the
I don't usually go too far because the machine often decides to do something strange when I leave the room. But
this is the one that
this
we
is
got
the
on
one,
the website.
we have on the website. So just to show you how different they look, they're both made in our PE leather, but you can make it in fabrics, corks, whatever you want it to do. So it's the same, all the beautiful.
I'm getting twisted.
So this one you can kind of see the beautiful quilting with the lighter thread.
Well, it does make a difference with, and some people are doing that. They're
Yeah.
making shadows with like a dark thread and then
Yeah.
the lighter fabric and everything. So
I think it's one of those things that you make, Allison, and you make one, and halfway through you'll start thinking of other variations.
I
And
have
before
already,
you've ended
yeah.
up finishing it, you're thinking, oh, I've got 4 other ones I can make.
yeah.
And also too, if you go on the website or our Facebook group, everyone, as you know, you'll see everybody posting their photos of
Yeah,
these bags.
I found this cute butterfly too.
Just, yeah, that's
I
Allison.
was looking for a bag strap and I saw that and I went, oh,
Beautiful.
pretty.
And it's still big enough that you could put your phone in and your reading glasses. Where's my phone? In my pocket.
Well, it's full at the moment of mesh.
I'll just have to fluff it out. But my iPhone fits in there.
Yep.
And my reading glasses, which I don't know where they are, they'd fit in there too. So if you just,
You need your glasses to
Yeah.
find your glasses.
Yeah, you do. Oh, the other day, Allison, I was here and I spent 10 minutes wandering around and saying to everybody, Cassie, have you seen my glasses? Sylvana, have you seen my glasses? Walking around and they were on top of my head. Then I did it again the same day and I thought I'd definitely lost them. I got home and they were in my back pocket.
Oh no.
So
I've actually
I've
actually been on the phone, had to put a note in my phone. I've gone, hang on, I'll have to find my phone. And eventually the person who's talking to me goes, aren't you on the phone?
Can you tell we're sisters?
Yeah,
Very
anyway.
quite nutty. Anyway, so that's Allison's been busy doing that sewing. I've got lots of sewing plans, so I
Yeah.
think I might be doing that on the weekend.
Everyone here's been doing a lot of sewing too.
Yes. So this is our latest release this week, our aircraft quilt. So there's 8 different aircraft on there.
Yep.
Blocks,
Two
and then
different
there's
sorts of planes.
and there's 2 different cloud blocks. So altogether there's 10 different blocks, and of course you'll get the instructions will include how to put it all together. But you could put these together in so many different ways, couldn't you, Allison?
Polly actually sewed this one, and who designed it?
Emma.
Emma designed this.
Yeah. And she's used a lot of our fabrics, so from our
Yes.
sweet shop
Great.
fabrics. So we sell them in fat quarter packs and these yard packs as well.
Yeah.
So she's got them around the borders. And then for the smaller print in the applique pieces, she's found a lot of them in your shades of grey
Yeah.
fat quarter pack, Allison.
Yep.
So we find the smaller print really suits some sorts of applique.
That's actually why we did
Yeah.
this fabric, because
Yeah.
we don't need large prints of
Patterns,
anything.
no.
It's actually better to have the small prints for little pieces of applique. So.
And you actually originally did this one because
Okay.
it's very hard to find all different shades of
Oh,
grey.
the grey as well. Well, when the girls went to make the quilt or were thinking about the quilt, they said, oh, we're going to have to order lots of different greys and that because we don't have
Yeah.
a good selection. So
So then to balance it out, you
Yeah.
had all the different.
and you don't have to
patterns.
make our quilt with it, of course, either.
No.
They're just quilts are just gorgeous when they have white and grey and then all really bright colours.
So we've got another design to show you that we did with that, but we'll talk about this a bit more, I think,
Okay.
Allison, because
Okay.
it's just so fun and fantastic. And I think the appeal to this is the applique pieces are quite large.
Yeah.
So there are smaller pieces, but the blocks are very easy to do.
Faber Cassie's used embroidery anglaise. I don't know if you call it that all over the world, but
Yeah.
it's a cotton that's actually embroidered and has cut work.
So it kind of gives it
Embroidery
texture
on it.
as well, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So we're very much into texture, but that's probably the only textural fabric we've got in this sort of today. But
Yeah. All the echo quilting makes it look
Yeah.
beautiful.
But you know, like if you had a budding little pilot, be a little girl or boy, you could decorate their whole room, have a whole aircraft
Yeah,
theme.
make a
you could-
bumper, cop bumper,
Cushions.
wall hanging, and
I've seen people in our group doing like the valances for curtains across with blocks and
Yeah.
things like that. Your imagination could
actually,
go
I'm
wild.
thinking you could probably make a mobile if you just use the
You
applique
could.
on wash away and
You could.
put fabric on the
I'm
back.
sure
and-
someone clever in our group will do that, and it'll probably be only a matter of days before we see
Yeah,
the
that's
photo of
right.
it. So get busy. We want to see how you do it. Actually, that's a good idea. And if you do something like that, share how you've done it, because often other people will have thought of it, but it just goes in the too hard basket. Because
And please
it's like-
post in the Facebook group. Sometimes I know it's a bit daunting for some people if they don't know how to attach the photos and all
Yeah.
that sort of thing. But
We do have a blog, but it's rather old, so we'll
Yeah.
update it.
maybe we should do a new video or something on
to show
on
how to actually
that.
do that, and also even editing posts. Sometimes I'll post something and I've got a spelling error.
Yeah.
You can easily go back and edit it by just
Yeah.
clicking the three dots beside your post, and you can change it.
Yeah.
So anyway, so that's
Alright.
that beautiful quilt that's just been released this week. We
So
want
do you
see
want to
lots of them.
show?
So we were talking about the fabrics that were in here, but you really designed that for our block of the month, the mystery quilt. which Emma has named aptly the oddly traditional quilt because she got the inspiration from lots of traditional quilt patterns.
They sort of are traditional shapes. Like that could sort of be a cathedral windows block actually,
right.
but it's so modern.
Yeah.
It's not. So this
is our latest release. It's block 5. I really hope I've got that right. I think I have. So that's been used with all of these beautiful...
These aren't released yet.
No, that's a sneak peek.
That's a sneak peek.
But they're made that you can put them together any way you like, and on the website, Silvana, our graphic designer, has done suggestions on how you can put the blocks together.
Yeah.
There's no right or wrong ways there, Allison.
No.
And then if you join the Block of the Month Facebook group that we've got going for this oddly traditional quilt, you get different ideas from everybody else.
For our layout, we have a suggested layout of how it looks good, which a lot of people are following if they're not used to laying out blocks and everything. And it's also hard because they don't know what blocks are coming. No, so it's good. It's fun to follow that. And some months you only need one of the block, and then other months you'll need 2 or 3 or whatever. But that we'll tell you that, but that's to make our particular layout.
That's
if you want to do it some other way, you can make as many blocks as you like, and people will be doing that who are going to make full-size quilts for beds and stuff. They'll have to make
we've actually
blocks.
suggested to people too, if they're not sure of how it's all going to come together, don't put it together until you've got all your 12 months done. So
that's right, because eventually we'll be giving instruction on how to join all the
together.
Blocks and put them together and to make the quilt. So
this just reminded me too, Alison, their colours. So I had these out too because this is the pack of the threads that Cassie's used in the aircraft quilt. So it's from our bright range. So we've got a box open. So I've just cut that top open to show everybody and taken the plastic off. But that's how the box will come. Excuse me, Alison.
And they're beautiful threads with a really beautiful sheen to them. I can't get that one out now. They're so good to embroider with. We find we have hardly any breaks anymore when embroidering. And actually they can be used for sewing too. Yes. So if you bought this set, you'd have all these colours to actually use in your sewing machine. And overlock, and we've done rolled hems with them and all sorts of things. So I like making clothes, so I've been using these threads for that as well.
I find that the bright box is the one that I use the most in a lot of the things, if you like using bright colours. But of course we've got pastels, we've got
basics, so all your basics like navy and red and pale pink and dark pink.
So we've got the pastel range, so they come in beautiful pastel colours.
At the moment we're selling them in sets like this, but we're also going to be bringing out individual threads probably in about a month. We'll have them available. We didn't rush them to start with because we thought everyone will take a while to get through.
And then 6 packs too, so either 12 or 6 packs. So this is called our Vintage Rose pack. So the threads aren't all bright.
No.
So we've
got browns and earths and everything else as well. Yeah.
So that's those. So that, as you can see, these threads go for just about everything on our table here. Yeah. So that's our block of the month called the Oddly Traditional Quilt. I'd encourage you all to join the Facebook group for that. The link is in our main group, and James will have a link up for this on this video down below somewhere. You know how people post. You know how people. I don't know how they know where they're pointing. You know when you watch videos, they go the link down here or this link, and they go, oh, okay. Well, if I do this, I'll cover all bases.
I think we should do like the Brady Bunch one day because most of us are family. We could have like a Brady Bunch thing, and because everyone looks down,
points up.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, maybe we could do that one day.
Quite amusing.
Yes. So anyway, so I encourage you all, even if you had never thought about doing a block of the month, just have a look and see how wonderfully creative the people in that group are.
Yeah, because everyone's not
truly
doing
inspirational,
it even in brights or anything like that.
No.
So, do you want to do our sneak peek?
Yes, I think that's all we probably need to do. We've got a few sneak peeks here. Oh, this has just been released too. This is one of our older quilts. So this is a sample quilt, of course, because it's only the 4 blocks. But this is a couple of years old, isn't it? The Wheels quilt. We called it the Wheels quilt.
Yeah.
We update all our older designs just to keep them all in line with the way we're doing the current ones.
There are hundreds of them, so we try to get like one done a week or
update.
Something like that.
If you've previously bought this quilt, you will have received an email, and if you haven't, you just go back and you re-download the files, and they'll be the updated files.
That's right.
For that one.
And it's actually the same with this. This is our beauty quilt.
Yes, I don't think that one's been released yet, Alison.
No, so you can't get the
updated files haven't been released.
Yeah, it's coming.
Yeah,
isn't it beautiful?
I believe that'll be next week probably. So that's those, and then finally the sneak peek. You may have seen it up here.
And it's gorgeous.
It's a dog bag. And this is more than a sneak peek because we're actually showing the whole thing.
That's right.
Oh well. But it's been made to have the little...
It's for their head.
I was actually going to get one of our stuffed toys because we don't have any dogs here today.
No, but we have
it.
doggy tested it, haven't we?
Yeah, we little Dachshunds, little Terriers. The sizing will be all on the website anyway when it's released next week. So that's that, and then there's zippers. So I'm not going to talk about it anymore because we don't have anything to talk about next week.
All right.
Thanks for joining us this week. I hope you had some fun, and James will be along shortly with some competition details.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Hey everyone, welcome to James and his Wheel of Names, my favourite part of the week, where I get to announce the winners of last episode's viewer competition. Last week I put the challenge forward that you have to find the 4 mystery zipper bag designs hidden throughout the video. The 4 zipper bag designs were quilted patchwork zipper purse, the citrus zippered clutch bag, the sunflower cosmos zipper bag, and the handmade zipper bag. Everyone got all the answers right, and we had heaps of entries again, which is what we love to see. So anyone that's watching episodes of Sweet Talk with Swpea that aren't entering the competitions, make sure you do so. It costs you no money. All you have to do is watch the whole episode, find the mystery words, enter to our Swpea competitions, and you could also be in James's Wheel of Names in the running for the $20 gift voucher. As the old saying goes, you've got to be in it to win it. I bet everyone's dying to find out the 3 winners of the $20 gift voucher this week, so I won't keep you waiting too much longer. I'm just going to get the Wheel of Names up, and I'm going to get on that first click. So guys, this is completely random. All I do is just add the names into this random generator, click the wheel, spins, and just like a lucky spin prize at a fair, it comes up with a random name. So I'm going to get on my first click. Wonder who's going to be this week. I love when I click that button and it starts spinning. And the first winner is... Oh, right on the middle. Oh, and it's Joan Wood. That was a close one. It was right on the edge. So Joan Wood is the first winner of the $20 gift voucher. Congratulations. That's awesome. So thank you, Joan, for watching. I hope you tune into future episodes of Sweet Talk and enjoy your voucher. So I'm going to get on to our second one. So excited, you can see me moving around. Can't wait to see who it is. I've clicked the spinning wheel the second time. Who's going to be our second winner? And we've got Laurel Dinsdale. Laurel Dinsdale, congratulations. Thank you so much for playing last week's competition, getting all the 4 mystery zipper bags, and now you're walking away with a free $20. Awesome work. And the final spin, who's it gonna be? Drum roll. And it is Carolyn Ray. Congratulations, Caroline. Enjoy your shopping spree on the Swpea store. If anyone's watching this and they want to be in the running for the $20, make sure you watch this whole episode all the way to the end to find the 3 mystery Swpea Essentials product hidden through the video. It's as easy as watching the video, and you could also be in the running to get your name on James's Wheel of Names. That's all for me this week. Have a good week. Get lots of crafting in, and I'll see you on the next episode. Have a good one.
Before I forget, I want to invite all of our Australian customers to come and visit us at the Sydney Craft and Quilt Fair.
Yes.
In June 30 to July 4. I believe that the organisers have a 20% flash sale actually on those tickets till Sunday this weekend. So that's for our Australian.
A few of us are going to be there, Annette and I, and a couple of other Swpea staff.
We're going to pack a semi-trailer and take it down with all of our stock.
We'll be selling all our essentials, so it'll be a perfect time for you to come and buy some and not have to pay for postage or anything, and
just
actually
just
touch
see
and
things
feel
close
it.
up and everything like that.
Yeah, so we'll be really excited to see some of you there.
Thank you.